Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come to you guys today to do a review on the hair that I'm wearing right now. This is from Dynasty hair. I've worked with them a few times and I absolutely love their hair to the fullest. Like, I can't even explain to you guys how much I love the hair that they provide. I'm pleased with the top quality hair that they provide, and they just have really great customer service, and they're super speedy with their delivery as well. When I do order from them, I usually get my packages literally within a few days, really, when I'll receive my package. And I just really love their packaging. It's super cute. It's like this purple satin bag, and it has like their logo Dynasty on it, and it just looks so professional and neat and clean, and I just really like the presentation of it. So the hair that I'm wearing right now is it's mink hair. I want to say a lot of the hair that I've worn from them in the past has been mink hair, and it's mink burgundy slash red, I believe. It's burgundy slash red. That's the color of this hair. The hair came like this. I did not have to dye it whatsoever. It came colored, which is really awesome. A lot of times companies don't have like a variety of colored hair, and I like that Dynasty has a few colors that you can choose from, which are really nice. I wanted to do something different for this month. And that's why I went with this like color. I've never tried this color before. I was a little bit nervous at first because I didn't know how this color would look on me. I know I've tried different colors in the past, like blue and blonde and just like purple, all different types of colors in the past. But I've never tried this specific color, so I was a little nervous. Like, I didn't know how it was gonna look. It ended up coming out really nice, and I'm super pleased on how it looks. It's so pretty and soft, and I can just literally run my fingers through it all day. I've never worn mink hair prior to trying out their hair. If anything, the biggest difference, mink hair lasts a lot longer, and I feel like mink hair sheds less. Like, I don't really feel like I get too much shedding with this hair. And I don't know, I just feel like the quality of it just feels completely different. I'm gonna tell you guys the lengths that I have in right now. I have in, I want to say 226 inch, a 24, 22, and then I have a 18-inch frontal. So the frontal, my hairstylist had to go in and kind of pluck it a little bit and dye the knots as well. It's kind of like the same process every time I get my hair done. It's the same 2 steps. You have to pluck the front of the hair, and you have to dye the knots of the hair. For the past 6, 7, 8 months, probably like 6, 7 months, I've only rocked Dynasty hair, and there's a reason for that. Like, I really love the quality of their hair, and I just feel like if you really like a company, why not continue to, you know, if it fits, if something fits, why break it? Is that the saying that they say? If it fits, why break it? Or if it's broken, don't fix it? I don't know what the saying is. But anyways, I like their hair, so it's like, why, you know, try to venture off and try something new when this works for me? You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna actually come up a little bit closer so you guys can see how the frontal looks. Like I said, he had to like pluck the front and kind of bleach the knots so that they can look more natural, but this is how the front looks. Like, literally all the frontals from Dynasty look amazing grace. I got this installed like last week, I want to say. So the hair got installed last week, and literally this is what it looks like still. Like, it still looks really good. It still looks like I just got it done like today, and I didn't. I got it done last week. And honestly, that is kind of like the secret to really knowing if you have good quality hair, is seeing how the upkeep is after you've gotten it done. Like, how long it's gonna last you before you have to go in and get like a touch up or a wash or whatever. But I got it done last week, and I feel like it still feels so amazing. It's still so soft. It's not tingling. Stand up for you guys so you guys can see how the hair falls on me. Oops. So 26 inches comes down to right here. So literally, if I were to like sit on my bed so you guys can see, like, look how gorgeous this is. So pretty, literally so pretty. That was just a super quick review that I wanted to do on this hair. You guys have seen Diamond Dynasty reviews for myself a few times, so you guys already know it's the same stuff. Literally, the hair is good quality, speedy shipping, really great customer service. So literally you can't go wrong with purchasing hair from Diamond Dynasty, and it's pretty affordable as well, which is really awesome because there's some hair companies out here that you will end up having to pay so much money and the quality is like shitty and all that good stuff. So at least you already know what you're getting with this. Great quality and it's super affordable. But yeah. So anyways, I will leave all of Diamond Dynasty information down in the description box. I will leave my hairstylist down in the description box as well. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will make sure to respond to them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up if you guys liked this tutorial, or not tutorial, but if you guys liked this review. I really love you guys and I just appreciate all the love and support that you guys give me and still rocking with me this whole entire time through this whole journey. I know it has been up and down, kind of crazy, but I love y'all for still rocking with me, the people who still are tuning in to my channel. But yeah, anyways, I will see you guys on my next video, which will be soon, so definitely stay tuned. Definitely cut on the notifications so you guys do not miss any videos that I post. And other than that, you guys have a great one and I'll see you guys next time.